Hey guys, just firstly I'd like to say Happy New Year. I know Christmas has just been and some of you may have overindulged, so to help combat that I'm just going to take you through two quick circuits. Each one's going to be 45 seconds work, 15 seconds rest. I'm going to run through the first one for you. This is going to get your body and your metabolic rate nice and high so you can carry on with your day burning fat throughout. Okay, so the first exercise for 45 seconds will be squat jumps, so like so. Okay, next exercise will be mountain climbers. Next exercise after that would be star jumps. And your final exercise would be a plank. So each one of those exercises you'll do for 45 seconds and you'll have 15 seconds rest in between. You'd like to do that 3 times round. Each time, after each full circuit, you have a minute rest. Okay. Right, okay guys, circuit 2. I'm going to run through same details before, 45 seconds work, 15 seconds rest. I'm just going to run through some of the exercises with you. So the first exercise is a reverse lunge with a knee drive. So like so, I'm going to step back, reverse down, drive up, back down, up. You do both legs. Like so. Second exercise, I'd like you to do a side plank with an abduction. Like so. Third exercise would be burpees, one of my favourites. And last exercise would be a Superman. So with the exercises where you with like the reverse lunges, do 5 each side, keep changing sides. Same with the side plank. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the circuits. Have fun and please comment and let me know how you get on. Thank you.